Oh, have you ever heard "Tell me about yourself" and felt blank?
Wow! One good sentence can make a great first impression.
You can do it in under 1 minute.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Michael Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. Nice to see you. Ha 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 ha.
Today, we keep it simple and warm, just friendly English.
Right. Let's start with the basics. Emily, please introduce yourself for new friends.
Sure. My name is Emily. I'm 25. I'm from the United States. I live in a big city. I'm a university student. Nice to meet you.
Ha ha. Nice to meet you again. My name is Michael. I'm 29. I'm from Australia. I live in Bangkok. I'm an English teacher. I'm happy to be here.
Aw, you always sound so cheerful.
Yeah, Bangkok has sunshine and amazing food. Oh, when you meet someone new, how do you start?
I smile and say, "Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?" It feels natural. Smiles.
I say, "Hi, I'm Michael. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?" Right, people love to talk about home.
Do you miss Australia?
Sometimes. I miss the beach and the ocean at night, but I love Bangkok. Street food, evening air, friendly hellos. What about you?
I miss family dinners. Ugh, my dad tells funny stories. My mom's laugh fills the room.
City life can be fast. What's your favorite thing where you live now?
The energy. There is always music, a new cafe, or a small bookstore on a quiet street. I like to walk with coffee and people watch.
My area is lively too. In the morning, I hear scooters. In the evening, I smell noodles and grilled chicken. There is a small park. It feels like a secret garden.
Wow, I like parks too. Green trees make a city kind.
How is student life?
Busy, in a good way. I study art. My bag has sketchbooks. I draw on the train, in cafes, on benches. Haha, my hands get messy with charcoal and paint.
Teaching is rewarding. Students try, make mistakes, and try again. Oh, when a sentence flows, their eyes light up.
I know that feeling when I paint. A line becomes a face. It's magic.
What are you working on now?
Portraits. Quiet faces with kind eyes. I imagine their stories while I draw.
I tell new students, keep it simple. Speak from the heart. Write. Say your name, home, work, and one thing you love.
Do you remember your first introduction in another country?
Oh, yes, I was nervous. I said, "Hi, I'm Michael. I'm from Australia." Then I forgot the rest. We all laughed. It was okay.
Haha! I once said, I live in a small town in a big city. People were confused, then laughed.
After the basics, what do you add?
One warm detail, I live near a market with fresh bread every morning. Or I draw every weekend with soft music.
Beautiful. I add, I teach English, and I love helping people find their voice.
Colors?
Blue, the sky and the ocean. It feels calm.
Green, leaves after rain. Oh, it feels hopeful.
Food?
Pasta, simple and warm.
Pizza with vegetables, tomatoes, peppers, onions. Ha! Every slice is a small picnic.
Yum!
Weekends?
I paint on Saturday morning. I read in the afternoon. If the weather is nice, I sit by a window with tea and sketch.
I play soccer on Saturday with friends from many countries. We laugh more than we score. Then I cook and listen to music.
Do you draw your cat?
Oh, I don't have a cat. I have a dog, Max. He is small and always happy.
My cat is Luna. She sleeps in a sunspot and sits on my book when I read.
Classic.
Let's give a model for our friends.
Great. Here is an A1 answer in 5 sentences.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from the United States. I live in a big city. I'm 25 and a student. I love drawing and reading. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Michael. I'm from Australia. I live in Bangkok. I'm 29 and a teacher. I play soccer and cook on weekends. Great to meet you.
Friendly, simple, complete.
Right. You do not need to say everything. Just open the door. Then the other person can ask more.
For shy learners, breathe, smile, speak slowly.
You already have your story. Share a small part. Oh, the conversation grows.
Let's practice small talk.
Good idea. I ask, you answer. What's your name?
My name is Emily.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you like?
I like drawing and reading.
Wow, perfect.
Now you at home say your answers out loud.
Need help? Use this card. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm from Australia. I live in Bangkok. I'm 29 years old. I'm an English teacher. I like play soccer and cook on weekends. Nice to meet you.
Add one warm detail: music, food, park, or pet.
Example, I live near a market with fresh bread. Or, I walk in the park every evening.
Keep sentences short. Use and, but, or because to connect.
Speak slowly. Leave a small pause.
If you make a mistake, it's okay. We all do.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Now let's do a final demo.
Ready.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from the United States, and I live in a big city. I'm a student. I love drawing on weekends and reading in cafes. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Michael. I'm from Australia and I live in Bangkok. I'm a teacher. I play soccer on Saturday and cook while I listen to old rock music. Great to meet you.
Wow, simple, warm, and real.
Right. Your turn now.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share.
Challenge. Write your 2-sentence introduction in the comments. We will cheer you on.
This is Mr. Michael Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. Keep practicing a little every day. Bye. Haha. See you soon.